Hello guys, good morning everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Blog. So guys, I am telling you, if you follow me, I will make you fluent in English guys, without doing hard work. Because this is a spoken language, not a grammar. So I would like to tell you how easy to learn this language, because I want to tell you that if I can speak English, you can also speak English. Just keep patient and do what I say. So for that, I am going to show you how you can practice every day. If you practice like this, so of course you will be fluent in English soon. So for that, you have to make yourself satisfied that yes, I can speak in my past time, I can speak in my present time, and I can speak my future time as well. So for that, don't do so many things, just follow these tricks which I am going to tell you. First thing first, just describe your daily routine, and after daily routine, just ask so many questions by yourself and reply. How? Let's see. So now I am going to tell you my daily routine, and after that I will ask some question by myself, such as so my name is Gyanendra. I usually get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I get fresh, then I get uh, fresh, and after that I take breakfast. After taking breakfast, I go to my farm and I work there for some time, and then I come back home. Having reached home, I take shower, take lunch, and after taking lunch, I take a siesta for some time. After that, in the evening, I go to graze my buffaloes, and while grazing buffaloes, I take some of my classes, and around 6 p.m. I come back home, I take rest, and then finally I take dinner, go to bed and sleep. So guys, this is my simple daily routine. So you don't have to do so many things. Just do this thing in the beginning. So after now I'm going to ask question and reply by myself, so that I can get habit how to ask question. So okay. So Gyanen, at what time do you get up in the morning? Well, I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Okay. At what time do you take breakfast? Well, I take breakfast at 7:30 in the morning. Okay, great. So after taking breakfast, what do you do? After taking breakfast, I go to my farm. Why do you go to your farm? See, I go to my farm because these days we are growing paddy crop. Okay, great. So how many hours do you work in the farm? Well, I have to work for 2 or 3 hours. Okay. So at what time do you come back home from farm? Well, I come back home around 11:30, sometime 12. Okay, great. So after coming from there, what do you do? After coming there, I take shower. Okay. After taking shower, what do you do? After taking shower, I take lunch, and then I take a siesta for some time. So okay, Gyanan, what do you do in the evening? Well, in the evening, I go to graze buffaloes. Okay, so do you have fellows? Yes, I have fellows. How many fellows do you have? Well, I have three fellows, including a baby fellow. Okay, great. So, at what time do you go to graze fellows? Well, I go to graze fellows around 3 p.m. Okay, with whom do you go? Well, I go to with my neighbors. Okay, with your neighbor. What is your friend's name? What is your neighbor name? Well, my neighbor's name is Subham. Okay. What does he do? He is a student. Great. In which class does he study? He studies in ninth class. Great. So, like, how many hours do you graze buffaloes? Well, I have to graze buffaloes for 3 hours. Okay, you also mentioned in your daily routine that while grazing buffaloes, you take classes. Yes, I take classes. How many classes do you take? I take two classes. Oh, great. So in one class, how many students do you have? Well, I don't add so many students, because if I add so many students, so it's really very difficult to practice. It is really very difficult to like make them understand. So that is why I add only 3 or 4 students in my one class. Okay, so do your student know that you are teaching them while grazing buffalo? Yes, of course they know that. Yes, while grazing buffalo I am teaching them. So what do they say? Well, they don't say anything. They don't care about my work. They just care that yes, Gyanen has so many skills and he can make me fluent in English. And they also enjoy my class. Oh, that's great. So, okay, so you take 2 classes while grazing the fellows. So, don't you face any problem? No, I don't face any problem because it is my daily routine. At what time do you come back home? Well, around 6 p.m. Around 6 p.m. I come back my home. Okay, after reaching home, what do you do? After reaching home, I just take a rest for some time. And what about dinner? At what time do you take dinner? Well, I take dinner around 9:30. Okay, great. And after taking dinner, what do you do? After taking dinner, I just watch some videos on mobile, and finally, around 10, I go to bed and sleep. So, guys, this is my daily routine. If if you know how to speak your daily routine, for daily routine you have only one structure: subject plus verb first form. I am talking about plural. And if you want to describe any third person daily routine, so you have subject plus verb plus ses. You have to add. This is spoken. You have to make sound end of the main verb after third person subject. And if you want to know how to ask question, so of course there is not nothing here, like you don't need to think so many things. Like if I talk about my daily routine, so I use only do every time. I use do because I know for daily routine, if you want to ask question, so you have to add do. With do you have to make question. And if you want to add some ws family, so of course you can add. After ws family you use do, then subject, then verb first form. So this is the great way using which you can become fluent in English. If I can become fluent in English by myself, so you can also become fluent in English, guys. This is the great way. Otherwise nothing, like it is really very difficult to become fluent in English. Like you all just watch so many videos for hours and hours and hours, but end of the video you just say that I have been learning English, I have been watching videos, but I'm still here, I'm not improving. So guys, this thing, until you speak, you can't become fluent in English, you can't speak. So just make habit to speak. Just speak and speak and speak. So you have so many things to speak. You don't need any partner, you don't need any environment. You are enough. First, just learn some basic structure and try to speak yourself. So guys, if you like this video, please tell me. I will make so many videos like this. Thank you so much.